This is a really beautiful sugar scrub if you have sore muscles and dry skin. This is so nourishing, and it has a really fantastic ingredient called Arnica in it that is helpful for pain relieving. It's going to take 5 minutes to make and cost less than $5. We're going to start with some sugar, and this is just cane sugar. Well, I'm going to use a cup of sugar here. Then I'm going to use jojoba oil and also some castor oil. And I'm going to be doing half a cup of jojoba oil, and then the rest I'm going to fill up with castor oil. It's really great. What's really nice about jojoba oil is that it mimics your natural skin, the oils on your skin, so it doesn't clog your pores. I'm going to pour this in. And what's really beautiful about castor oil is that it's super nourishing. So for people that have dry skin, castor oil is great. I'm going to mix that together. Okay, and then I'm going to add about 10 drops of peppermint oil. And what's really nice about peppermint oil when you're making a scrub for pain and for sore muscles is that it has a really mild tingling sensation, and it just smells so fresh. Okay, and this is the magical ingredient. This is the one that makes it really special for sore muscles, is Arnica. So I have my Arnica here, and I'm pouring out 20 mils. And this is Arnica oil infused in sunflower oil. And you just stir it all together. And then you can just put this inside your clean glass jar. And this should last you for a couple of months as long as you don't get any water inside. But I love making my own sugar scrubs because, well, it's so cheap. Like, this costs under $5 to make, and there's no additives in here. And I actually have never seen a sugar scrub with Arnica in it. Okay, so there it is. Some water here, so I'm going to just use this really quickly because my hands are dry. Been gardening this morning. So you just get your hands wet. And okay, I don't want to put water inside here, so you can take a little spoon and get a little bit out and put it on your hands. And the sugar is so nice. It's so exfoliating. So any dry, like dead skin, this really helps for it to come off. And then with the castor oil, it's so nourishing. And it smells amazing too because of the peppermint. It's nice. So I would just be careful if you're using this in the shower because it is slippy. So you just want to be careful that you don't slip. But you don't want to wash this off with any soap. You just rinse it with water and then pat dry. And that's it. And I always like to send Reiki and good energy to the products that I make. Reiki to all 3 of these. So I'm going to start by creating some energy in my hands. So rubbing them together and then placing them over the products. And then I'm going to do my Chokure sign. This is a Reiki sign for healing and increasing energy. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you liked learning how to make this really relaxing, healing, pain relieving sugar scrub. Let me know if you make it, and please subscribe if you have not, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.